Hello dear students, let us continue with the topic units and measurement. So in the last class we were discussing about indirect method to measure very small distances. So we have discussed about how to measure the size of an atom by Avogadro method. So that was discussed in the last class, and also we have discussed about size of a molecule of a liquid. So we have taken oleic acid and we have discussed how to determine the size of a molecule of the oleic acid liquid. And after that we have discussed about practical units of length such as astronomical unit, light years, and also we have discussed about a relation between one astronomical unit and one light year. So you already know that one astronomical unit means 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter, and one light year means 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 meter. And we have discussed the relation between one astronomical unit and one light year. After that we studied about practical units of mass. So we have discussed about atomic mass unit. In short form we can call that one as AMU. And also we have discussed about 1 CSL, that is Chandrasekhar limit. And after that we have discussed about 1 metric ton. So that is 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kg. So now in this class let us continue with the next concepts. So the next concept is accuracy and precision of measuring instrument. So let us try to understand the meaning of accuracy, precision of measuring the instrument. So we already know that if you want to measure any physical quantity, we need a device. So with the help of the instrument we can measure the value of a physical quantity. For example, if I want to measure the length of any object, so with the help of the meter scale I can measure the length of any object. Or so if there are 2 points, if you want to measure the distance between these 2 points, you can use the meter scale. And in the same way, if you want to measure the diameter of any object, if there is a steel sphere, if you want to measure its diameter, then with the help of the instrument called screw gauge we can measure its diameter. And in the same way, if you want to measure the mass of any object, with the help of the weighing machine we can measure the mass of any object. In the same way, if you want to measure time, with the help of the clocks, or we can say stopwatch, with the help of these devices we can measure the time interval. So if you want to measure any physical quantity, we need instrument. And a question will arise here, what is that? When we can say that the measured physical quantity is accurate? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವೇನು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒನ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, I will take a digital, let us imagine this is a digital weighing machine and this is a display. This is the display of the screen. So this is what? This is a digital weighing machine. Okay. Digital weighing machine. Okay. And this is a display screen. This is a display screen. Okay. And here what I will do, I will take I will take a 100 gram weight. Let us imagine this is how much? 100 gram weight. Okay, so I know the value. So this is also called as standard weight. Standard weight ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, standard weight, because I know the value of this weight. Okay, now what I will do, I will take that standard weight and I will put that one on this digital weighing machine. ಸೊ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟಾಗಿ 100 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅದು 100 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಂದರೆ I can say that this standard weight, okay, so, and this whatever the reading we are seeing in the display, both are matching and both are same. So I can say that this is the accurate measurement. So this is what? This is accurate measurement. Accurate measurement anta helbodu. Okay, so now in the second case what I will do, let us repeat the same activity. So here again this is a digital weighing machine and this is a display of the screen, and I will put a standard weight having 100 gram, and if in the display if it shows 98.8 gram, okay na, 98.8 gram suppose ಏನಾದರೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಂದ್ರೆ this is what? This is inaccurate measurement. This is what? This is inaccurate measurement. So I try to understand this one. So digital weighing machine, it has to show, if it shows exactly, okay, whatever the standard weight is there na, so ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವೇಟ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ವೇಟು ನಮ್ದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟಿದು 100 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಲಿ ಕೂಡ 100 ಗ್ರಾಮ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ 98.8 ಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ inaccurate measurement. So from these two I can say that the measured value of a physical quantity, okay, it is said to be accurate if it is very close to the actual value of the physical quantity. So now let me write the definition of the accuracy. So let us see the accuracy definition. So accuracy definition ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, it refers to the closeness of a measured value to the true value, or we can call that one as a standard value, true value of physical quantity, that is what accuracy. Once again I will repeat, accuracy, it refers to the closeness of the measured value to the true value of a physical quantity. Both measured value and true value both should match with each other. They should be same. Then we can say that the physical quantity, it has a accurate measurement. So this is the definition of the accuracy. Now let us try to understand the meaning of precision of a measuring instrument. So here precision actually it tells us how much are there two or more measurements with so if you have measured a physical quantity 1 or 2 or 3 times, okay, and we'll compare them with each other. If they are very close with each other, that means if their values are very close with each other, then we can say that the values are precise. So let us try to understand the precision with the help of a small activity. So let me take the example of a target shooting. So let us imagine this is a screen, okay. So it has concentric circles like this, okay. this is what, this is a target, this is a target actually. Okay, so the central circle is there now, this is the target, and from a far distance what will you do, we will shoot the bullets from a gun. So the bullets, they have to come and they have to settle at this point. Okay, then we can say that it has reached the target. So let us imagine the bullets are coming from a gun, and if they come and if they reach this place, first bullet is coming and that will reach this point, and the second bullet that will come and that will strike this place, and third bullet that will come and that will settle at here. Then here what is happening, the bullets are, they are not at the central target, and also they are not close with each other. So we can say that bullets are not accurate. Bullets are not accurate. Why they are not accurate? Because they have not reached the target. ಈ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅವು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವು. ಸೊ ಅವೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಬುಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಸೈಸ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಸೈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಬುಲೆಟ್ಸು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಸೈಸ್. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಬುಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ this is a screen and this is a target. Okay, again I am sending the bullets from a gun. Okay, the bullets, they will come, and let us imagine I have sent 4 bullets. They will come and they will settle here. Okay, and here if you observe the bullets, of course they are not at the target, they are not at the middle. So here the bullets are close to each other, but they are not at the central target. So we can say that bullets are precise. They are precise. Why they are precise? Because all the bullets are, they are very close with each other. So that's why they are precise. But they are not accurate. Are you understanding? ಸೊ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬುಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಬುಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಸೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಓಕೆ, and I am sending the bullets. They will come, and all the 4 bullets, they will come and they will reach exactly at the target, central target. And of course all the 4 bullets, they are very close with each other. Here all the bullets are at the center and are very close with each other. So I can say bullets are precise. Bullets are precise and they are accurate. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಿಸೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬುಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಬುಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಸೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್. ಪ್ರಿಸೈಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಪ್ರಿಸೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಷನ್, ಇಟ್ ರೆಫರ್ಸ್ to the closeness. It refers to the closeness of 2 or more measurements. 2 or more measurements with each other. That is what, this is the definition of precision. Precision, it refers to the closeness of the two or more measurements with each other. The measurements, whatever the measurements we are doing, they should be close with each other. Then we can say that the measurements, they are precision. Okay, so we can take one more example. Now let me take one more example. The second example, what I will do, so in the second example, let me take another example. So let us imagine there is an object and there is a wooden block and it is having a thickness of, let me say, 1.873 millimeter. So ಒಂದು ವುಡನ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 1.873 millimeter ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ true value or standard value. Okay, now what I will do, in the first experiment I will take an instrument. Let me take the instrument vernier calipers, and let me say it is having the least count of 0.1 millimeter, and with the help of the vernier calipers let me measure the thickness of this object. So I got the thickness as T equals 1.9 millimeter. Okay, so in the first experiment I have used the vernier calipers and it is having the least count 0.1 millimeter, and with the help of this vernier calipers instrument, if I measure the thickness of the object, I got the value as 1.9 millimeter. In the second case, what I will do, I will take another different instrument. Let me say I will take screw gauge, and let me say it is having the least count of 0.01 millimeter, and with the help of this screw gauge I will measure the thickness of the object, and I got the thickness as 1.96 millimeter. So now here, if you observe these things, the first measurement, it has more accuracy than compared to the second measurement. Why? Because the true value or the standard value is 1.873 millimeter. Standard value ಏನಿದೆ 1.873 millimeter ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಮಗೆ 1.9 millimeter ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1.9 millimeter ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ದ 1.873. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, 1.96 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ more accuracy because its value is matching with the true value. So I can say the first measurement, let me write the first measurement, okay, it has more accuracy. Why it has more accuracy? Because its measurement is very close with the true value, and it has less precision, Why it has less precision? Because its resolution or its least count, so it is only 0.1 millimeter is there. Okay, first measurement ಅಲ್ಲಿ least count ಏನಿದೆ 0.1 millimeter ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, its precision is less. In the second measurement we can write it has less accuracy. Why? Because 1.96, 1.83, okay, they are not matching, so it is not close with the true value. So that's why I can say the second measurement, it has less accuracy and high precision. Okay, so just this is an example. So try to understand the accuracy and precision of a measuring instrument. So this is very, very important. In examination they may ask for 3 marks like state and explain accuracy and precision of the measurement of a physical quantity. So the question may ask like this. Okay, this is about accuracy and precision. Now let us discuss the concept, that is errors in measurements. So let us try to understand the meaning of error. So let us imagine there is a object and its mass is 5 kg. Its mass is 5 kg, and let me say this is a standard value. This is a standard, or we can say this is a true value. This is a true value. So now with the help of a weighing machine, so let me measure the mass of the same object. So if I measure the mass of the object with the help of the weighing machine, so that machine is showing the mass as 4.89 kg. Here actual mass is how much? 5 kg. ಅದರ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ 5 kg ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ವೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಷೀನಿಂದ ವೇ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರದ್ದು ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 4.89 kg ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ and this is a standard value. Okay, both are not matching, both are not same. So that means, so here there is a difference. Okay, so I can say this observed value, it has some errors. Why? Because it is not matching with the standard value. Yes or no? So I can say that this measured value or this observed value, so this has some errors. So I can write the definition of the error as, I can say the error, it is what? It is the measure of, it is the measure of degree of uncertainty, degree of uncertainty in the measurement, uncertainty in the measurement of physical quantity. That is what error. So try to understand the definition. It is the measure of degree of uncertainty in the measurement of a physical quantity. So mass is a physical quantity. Yes or no? So ಇದರ ಮಾಸನ್ನು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 4.89 kg ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದರ ಟ್ರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ? 5 kg ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಅನ್ಸರ್ಟನಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಸ್, this physical quantity, it has some errors. That is okay. So that's what I have written here, the measure of degree of uncertainty in the measure error of a physical quantity. Or in one more way we can define the error. So it can be defined as, it is the difference, let me write, it is the difference between what and what? This is the difference between true value and observed value. That difference is called error. Okay, so here actually if I take the length of an object as 100 centimeter, okay, this is a true value. Let me say this is a true value, and with the help of the instrument, so let me take any instrument. You can take a meter scale or vernier calipers. With the help of some instrument, let me measure the length of the object, and I got the value as 98 centimeter. So the device or the instrument, it may have some errors. So because of that instrument error, so we got the length as 98 centimeter. So here how much is the error? So the error means what? It is the difference between the true value and observed value. So this is the true value. Yes or no? 100 centimeter is the true value. Observed value is what? 98 centimeter. So the difference is 2 centimeter. Here the error is how much? 2 centimeter is the error in this case. Now let us discuss the types of errors. So now let us see types of errors. Types of errors. So types of errors. So actually there are mainly two types of errors. First one is systematic error. First one is what? Systematic error. And second one is, we can say second one is that random error. Random error. Okay, now let us see one by one. First one is what? First one is systematic error. So here systematic error means, so first one is, let me write, that is systematic error